Go home happy with the 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Tiguan, the fuel-efficient compact SUV with standout flexibility. Available features like third-row seating and all-wheel drive let you enjoy even more of this crossover's capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the comfort and convenience this Tiguan has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.